up guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to the channel, I'm here to show you guys how to improve your income, how to make money online and do it on the side hustle or quit your 9-to-5 job. I'm not uploading this week, so I wasn't feeling well. That's why in today's video I had to record this intro so I can talk to you guys if you guys see me on a different outfit. So in today's video I'm gonna show you guys where to get wholesale clothing price so you guys can sell it, get it at a cheaper price, so you don't have to wait for those products to come from Alibaba, because it's gonna take like around 60 days. But if you know the manufacturer who buy them like those container of clothes, so you can get it at a cheaper price. Unfortunately I didn't get to the men's clothes because I wasn't feeling well at all, so I had to drove back home. So sorry for you guys, so sorry. So I'll get this video for you guys up next week. So I didn't want to wait another 2 days not uploading for you guys, even though I don't feel well. So we're gonna get connected, we're gonna have fun on this channel, we're gonna do anything you guys want me to do, anything you guys want me to talk about, and I'll do it. So let's get right into the video. I hope you guys enjoy, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Alright guys, for today's video, so I hope you guys enjoy it, or if you guys see any clothes you like. And there is a lot of different store I couldn't get into. I'm gonna try to record them for you guys, or I'm gonna put the address right now, and you can go ahead and start and click on it and see what you can buy and sell it and make a profit out of it. So if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and comment down below if you have a question. I'll be more than happy to help you guys.